Are you learning English to pass an English test like IELTS, TOEIC, or PTE? Or to land your dream job? To work in an international company? To pass an interview? For business? Or simply for travel? You've come to the right place. Hello, students. My name is Teacher Clara. I am a registered classroom teacher in New Zealand with 3 years of experience. I am also an English language teacher with 5 years of experience. I can help you with reading, writing, grammar, pronunciation, listening, IELTS, TOEIC, business, anything to do with English. If you're looking for a teacher who can provide you with an engaging and a fun English lesson, then book the trial lesson today. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my class. I'll see you then.